The war in Ukraine began with Crimea and must end with its liberation, President Volodymyr Zelensky has said. Ukraine's president was speaking after a string of explosions hit a Russian airbase there, killing one person. Mr. Zelensky did not mention Tuesday's blasts but said, "Crimea is Ukrainian and we will never give it up." Russia's defense ministry said ammunition detonated at the base. Meanwhile, Ukraine denied any responsibility for the explosions. On Tuesday, a series of explosions rocked the Saki military base near Novofedorivka, in the west of Crimea, which is near seaside resorts popular with Russian tourists. Novofedorivka and Saki are about 50 kilometers, 30 miles, north of the port of Sevastopol, home of Russia's Black Sea Fleet, which has been leading a blockade of the Ukrainian coastline. The airbase had been used by Russia to launch attacks on targets deep inside Ukraine. Footage on social media showed beachgoers running as the explosions hit, with witnesses saying they had heard at least 12 blasts. Crimea's Russian-appointed health department said one civilian had been killed and another 8 injured. Russia's defense ministry insisted the blasts were down to ammunition, that it exploded in a store, and that there was no fire impact from outside, although this has not been independently verified. And Ukrainian presidential aide Mikhailo Podolyak denied that Ukraine was behind the blasts, telling the Dozhd online television channel, "Of course not. What do we have to do with this? Any attack on Crimea by Ukraine would be considered deeply serious by Moscow." Russia sounded a warning last month when ex-President Dmitry Medvedev threatened last month that Judgment Day will instantly await if Ukraine targeted Crimea. But a Ukrainian government official told the Washington Post on Wednesday that an attack on a Russian airbase in occupied Crimea was the work of Ukrainian special forces. The official, who spoke on the condition of anonymity because they were not authorized to speak publicly on the matter, did not disclose details of how the Tuesday attack was carried out. However, the attack marks a dramatic escalation in the nearly 6-month-old war, demonstrating an ability by Ukrainian forces to strike farther behind Russian lines than previously believed. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.